Okay, you guys, so I am super nervous about this video, but we are gonna get right into it. So I was sent this glue by Janet Collection. I actually made a wig with them recently, or it was kind of like last year, at the end of last year, and I didn't get a chance to show you guys me installing the hair, and I didn't feel like it was that important at the time for me to rush and get it done, just because of the simple fact that I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna apply this glue with my low hairline, and then also because I did review that type of hair already, and I did show you guys in the tutorial how I made the unit because it was super easy. And I will have all the hair information down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. You guys will be able to see the full video and everything like that, as well as the prior video that I did. So anyways, moving right along, I have already cleaned off my head and it is oil free now. I might have to go in and do it again because I waited like 30 minutes because I had to tend to my family really quick, but I am gonna go ahead and apply this on. So I'm going to just be applying on one layer because I'm just gonna wear this for 24 hours to see what it does and test it out, because you guys know I cannot commit to a hairstyle like that. So we're just gonna be wearing it for 24 hours, but I am gonna put it through the ringer to see if it's waterproof and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right in with the application. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a low hairline here, so I am just going to be applying the glue here just because I do not want to rip out my edges or anything. Okay, so I am not going to be applying it, you know, all right here, because my hair is even coming out right here, as you guys can see. So I'm only going to be placing it in the areas where I do not have hair. And I am just wearing this is actually a what do you call it, it's like the knee highs or whatever stockings, and I got them from Walgreens, and this one is in suntan and it's in the size queen, of course, because I have a big head. So just in case you were wondering about that, I didn't do like the stocking cap method. Like I've never tried that. I don't think that I really need to do that because my hairline is low anyway, so it wouldn't make a difference. Okay, so the first step is to shake it well. So shake it, shake it. Okay, I think we've shaken it well enough. So the next step is to apply a thin layer of Esha lace bond glue around your hairline. So as I told you guys before, I'm just going to be applying it here just because I do not want to apply it on my edges. So we are just going to put it right here. Okay, so gonna make sure that there's enough so we don't discredit the product because I didn't put enough. So I'm just gonna be putting it there. So it's gonna be more like I'm treating this unit like a closure, although it is a frontal. So I'll fill in the gaps. So I'm just going to apply that. So I'm not applying very much, just put that there. I don't know if you guys can see. So let's see what the next step is. So the next step is when the glue becomes tacky, approximately 30 seconds, apply the lace wig on application and press for 1 minute firmly in place. Make sure the Esha Bond glue is dry before applying any additional coat for extra strength. So I'm just going to let this kind of dry. I don't think it's going to dry in 30 seconds. We can definitely see. So now I'm going to just time it for 30 seconds. Probably 30 seconds have already passed, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my timer and put 30 seconds and see if it is dry. So if it's dry, then cool, but okay, so I put it on 30 seconds, so we'll go ahead and see if it dries within the 30 seconds. Okay, so the timer is going off now. So I'm going to see if it's tacky. Oh, it is tacky. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit. And I'm not going to touch it with my fingers because I remember I was helping my cousin with hers and it got stuck to my fingers and it was just a hot, horrible mess. So I'm just going to use the comb to push it in so that the oil or whatever from my fingers will not do anything to it. Not turned this alarm off yet. So sorry if you heard that in the background. So it's feeling like it's sticking on pretty good. I think I should maybe blow dry it. Let me see the instructions. Okay, so it seems dry. And yeah, this is very secure. I am tugging on it and it is not like going anywhere. It's making my skin move though. Whoa. So it actually blended in really good. There's like no white residue or anything. Here's where the glue is, as you guys can see because I'm lifting it up. There's no glue or anything. So that is really, really good. Like there's no residue. Oh, there's a little bit right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's barely a little bit. Oh, and it came right out. So that's where it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair, and then I'll come back and tell you guys how it did after the flat iron. So I decided to leave my unit in its pretty much natural state just because I'm not really going anywhere special, and then plus I like how thick it is in its natural state because it's not thin or anything, but when I like straighten it, it gets like bone straight, and I just don't want that because I'm not really doing anything today except for running errands and just editing and stuff. So here is how the glue is. So there's no residue or anything, and I'm really impressed. Like, this is my first time to like actually use like a real lace bond glue. I've bought some, like I just bought the another brand, I don't even remember what brand, it's a popular brand, but anyways, this is my first time using it and I'm super impressed with this like already. So this is how it is. I just can't believe like how tight it is, and I didn't even put a lot. So if you add layers on layers, this unit is going to be, or your unit is going to be laid, not this one in particular because it's mine. I also want to let you guys know that they did give me the lace bond remover as well. So they sent me out the remover and the bond. So we are going to go ahead and test this out and see if you know, it's waterproof and everything, which I will be able to test that too because number one, like I have to be in the shower. You know, I love to take hot showers, so you know sometimes like the humid could make the glue loosen up, because I know it definitely does with my Got2b, even though the Got2b is definitely not a glue at all, it's just a hair gel. But I want to see if the steam will make it come up. And then I'm also gonna wet the hair, and then every time I do my skincare routine I get like the edges and everything kind of wet a little bit, like not like super drenched wet, but it does get wet. So we'll see if the glue comes up with that or if it's really waterproof. Good morning, divas. So it is day 2. So I did want to give you guys an update because I forgot to record last night, and I am recording on my phone in case you notice that the quality is a little bit different. But so I did go ahead and do my skincare routine, and this is what happened. So it's still laying down, and I accidentally had to like freaking get my hair wet a lot, like this area, because I put on a mask and I left it on too long, and I was supposed to peel it off but it wasn't coming off, so I had to like put like hot water on my face and everything, and it did not come off, like because I forgot completely about my facial mask. But anyway, so it did not come off, like, and it's like pulling my skin up, as you guys can see, like it is not coming off. So yeah, I think the hot water made me have a little bit of residue right here, but I can take a cotton swab and put alcohol on that, so it's not bad at all. It is holding, oops, sorry you guys, I'm like with my phone, but it is holding its own, and I'm really loving this hair too. Like I don't even feel like, I feel like it just looks so natural. I don't think I'm gonna like straighten it, because I did straighten the back already, because the back is a lot, like if you guys could tell, the back is like way more sleek. But I like this natural look with this hair, like it just looks very natural and effortless. Okay you guys, so I am back and this is day 3. So I want to tell you guys before I remove it, because we do have the remover here, I did want to tell you guys like how it held up. I did give you an update yesterday, and I just want to let you guys know that this stuff is like the truth. Like seriously, it's like that's my skin that is pulling, like it's crazy. And if you see this side lifting up over here, as you guys know, I did not put it anywhere where my hair is, and my hair is definitely over there. But as far as this, like it is not, like sis, my wig is not going anywhere. I did take hot showers as usual, and the steam did not make it lift up. I did my skincare routine as normal, almost getting water on here, especially the day where I forgot my mask on, like, because I had to like tug it off with hot water and have to keep splashing my face. So this glue has held up pretty well, like, and I'm really like surprised and shocked, and it actually makes me want to use this glue more, like when I want it to be, like when I want my wig to be like secured on my head, like for a day or two, you know, because obviously I'm not going to commit to a style like that because I have to constantly do wig reviews. But this is like good for like special occasion for me personally. If you want to wear it longer, you can go ahead and apply more, but just for me personally, this is like really good. And then it seems to be waterproof too, so that's why I was like, okay, well, I'm definitely gonna have to use this in the summertime, like when I want to go to a pool party or something. I can use this as my adhesive, so I don't have to worry about like my unit coming off. So overall, I think this glue works really well, and I really like it. I've been enjoying it, like, especially, I don't know, like I never usually like sleep in my wigs or anything, but I've been really enjoying just waking up with a wig on my head, to be quite honest. Like, I've been really enjoying it, but I gotta get back to my review, so we're gonna have to remove her. So overall, like, this glue definitely gets a thumbs up for me, and I'm really happy about it. I was also worried because I didn't put it all around my hairline. Who is texting me? Rude. So I didn't put it all around my hairline, and I was really scared that it was gonna lift up because I had it on the sides, and the sides did not like deter it or anything from flipping up, because you know, usually if you don't have it, and then I could be sleeping and I could be constantly like pulling and tugging on it in my sleep, but it didn't like do anything. So I feel like this glue is even more legit for that reason alone, because it wasn't all glued down, and it did not let like the parts that's not glued down like really like lift it up or anything. So this glue definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and I cannot wait to use this like in the spring and summer season, so that I can, you know, go and be slaying my wig and not have to worry about it coming off. Here's a lace ball remover. So I am just going to go ahead and follow the directions. So it says lift the wig gently and spray on scalp, massaging product, let it sit in for 3 to 5 minutes, wipe off, and then follow up with the clarifying shampoo to get rid of the leftover residue from the product. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some on. It says to lift it up, but I'm not sure like what that means, like just lift it up here, so I'll just do that. And then I'm gonna spray some on. Let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, now that we are up close and personal, I am going to lift it up and spray it. Oh, it comes right off. Oh my gosh, it comes right off. I thought I was gonna have to like fight with this. It came, you guys, it came right off. Let me wipe all this oil off my face though. Oh my gosh, it came right off. And there's not like any nasty residue either. Like there is some, as you guys can see, there is some, but it's not like super, you know how usually it can be like some nasty residue. This glue is like very impressive. Like the glue and the remover, like it's very impressive. This stuff, it's the truth. Like I really like it. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulously was there, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below, but don't talk about me right now because I know I look extra crazy with my freaking just my cap on. So yeah, don't you dare talk about me, girl. And then be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell because I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any videos from me. And yeah girl, I'll see you in the next video, and I will have on some hair. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.